In this video, I'm going to break down what you should do if you catch a contractor falsifying invoices to overcharge you, because it's something you gotta handle carefully to protect yourself and your wallet. So, first off, if you ever spot shady stuff like fake charges or inflated prices on your invoice, don't just ignore it or freak out. Take a deep breath and start documenting everything right away. Snap pictures of the invoices, save all your emails and texts with the contractor, and write down any conversations you had about pricing. Next, compare the charges to your original contract or estimate to see exactly where they're padding the bill. And if you didn't get a written contract, pull out any written quotes or messages that show what was agreed on. Then, hit up the contractor directly, but keep it cool. Ask for clarifications about specific charges and give them a chance to explain or fix any mistakes. Sometimes it's honest confusion, but if they're dodging or being sketchy, that's a red flag. You might want to bring in a third party, like another contractor or a construction expert, to review the invoices and work done so you have an unbiased opinion. Also, keep your payment method secure. If you paid with credit card, check if your bank offers fraud protection and consider disputing suspicious charges. If things don't get resolved, think about filing a complaint with your local consumer protection agency or the Better Business Bureau to warn others and get official help. Lastly, always trust your gut. If a contractor starts acting shady with money, it's better to cut ties before it gets worse and look for someone who's upfront and legit. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with contractors falsifying invoices is not catching the problem early enough because they don't review their bills closely. Always double-check every line item before signing off or sending payment. Another common issue is trying to handle everything alone without getting professional advice or legal help when needed. Having a construction expert or lawyer look over stuff can save you headaches later. And a third mistake is not having a solid contract up front that clearly states pricing, materials, and payment terms. That contract becomes your best weapon if you need to prove fraud or overcharging. To avoid these pitfalls, keep detailed records from day one, communicate clearly in writing, and never pay the full amount until you're 100% satisfied with the work and charges. BigHomeProjects.com is seriously clutch for homeowners who want to connect with trusted local contractors without the stress of guessing who's legit because they vet everyone carefully before listing them. For contractors, it's a great way to find steady work and build their reputation with real clients who are ready to hire, making the whole process way smoother on both sides.